This is truly magnificent Germany, so come along and enjoy the majestic nature of Germany. Welcome to the Europe Series 2022. I'm Eric B. from Travel Adventures with Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I'm a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficiently. What's up, YouTube? And welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. And today, I'm at the beautiful Eibsee, right near the Zugspitze, right near Garmisch in Germany. It's absolutely beautiful here. We're going to take a little tour and show you around, so follow along and let's go. The Eibsee itself is a beautiful lake located in Bavaria. However, there's so many things to do on the Eibsee. This water is absolutely stunning and beautiful, and it sits right below the incredible Zugspitze mountain, which is the tallest point in Germany. But if you're in this area, there's a hotel here. You can take a bus here. They'll take you to Blue Line. They'll take you directly here. There's a lodge right here. The hotel's really nice. Also, there's lots of stands set up if you want to get some food, get some ice cream, and hang out for the day with your people and just sit back and relax. Or you can go to the water and have a wonderful time. But just in general, this is such a beautiful place, and this is definitely a place that's highly recommended by my buddy Magnificent Germany with Darian, who's been here many times in the past. This place is pretty awesome.
It is, isn't it?
Nice spaces to hike.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, there's great areas you can see right there. People swimming,
crystal clear water,
having a great time.
Beautiful.
Crystal clear water. Tell us a little bit about your experiences here.
This is the Eibsee. If you pan around here, this is the Eibsee right here in Garmisch, and actually the Eibsee right here, crystal clear water. I've been here, I don't know, countless times. I've been coming here for at least the last 13 years, and it's just beautiful. I love every time I come here. Rain, sleet, snow, whatever, I'm here. Now, if it's snowing, I don't swim. Number one, it's frozen. You can't swim that way.
Very dangerous.
But it's just a beautiful place to go. This trail here is 4.3 miles all the way around. It's like a big circle. You take it all the way around, and you end up at the same point at the Eibsee Hotel. And this is an awesome place to go.
Well, that's the hotel down there in the distance.
That's the
so
distance right there, yeah. I've stayed there before several times. Beautiful hotel. It's called the Eibsee Hotel. With that being said, if you've got any questions about not only the Eibsee or anything in Germany related, you let me know. And here's how I roll. If I don't know something, I'll say, you know what, I don't know, but I'll find out. But this is a definitely must-to come see and swim in the Eibsee.
The trails and the nature here is truly incredible. As Darian said earlier, said you can go 4.3 miles on a trail, but just the beautiful nature itself and just looking at that beautiful water out there and just hanging out, relaxing. I had to be careful on what I filmed because there were some people here in their birthday suits, and we're trying to avoid that kind of stuff here on YouTube, but you know, if it catches, then I apologize to anyone out there. But you know, a lot of people like to go all natural in Germany, but these beautiful views, can you really blame them for sitting out and sunbathing and just sitting back and enjoying the day? I mean, I'm not going out there like that, but if they want to do it, then they can do it. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. And I hope that you're enjoying this 2022 Summer in Europe series. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace. And travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.